Look, wait, we are just coming back from the location now. Somebody locked somebody's daughter outside by this time of the night. On the cold, they go to Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about one man where they maltreat another person Pikin because they not being you. Like seriously, as I see the video just now, the thing just shocked me really. The thing really shocked me. You know, why not they always the one maltreat another person Pikin? Very bad. Very, very bad. It's not good. It's not that good at all. Eh? Okay, can you imagine my people say, this man they sleep for his house. He pick, whether his sister Pikin or I don't know. He look for outside. This man just they sleep fine with his wife. This girl they outside middle of the night. Now somebody can see her for outside the video and say, more I can see what person they do to another person Pikin. Very, very bad. If you don't want take care of the girl again, why you not just hand over her to your family? Yeah, instead of when you go take keep her for your house, you they maltreat her. If you don't say you tire to take care of the girl, just hand over her to your mama. You say you not fit again, you not fit tolerate our character again. It's more better than you just come maltreat another person Pikin just like that. Very, very bad, eh? Very, very bad. More than not they behave like that again. It's not good for una at all. It's not good. Some people are too wicked. Some people wickedness is inside their vein. How you go to sleep? You lock your whether your sister Pikin or another person Pikin, I don't know where you go carry out. You lock her for outside. Very, very bad, my people. Very, very bad. I go put the video, make una see, and the video long small. So man not to talk, make the video don't come too just long. So I'll put the video, make una see. So anything you wanna think about the video, make una leave una comment for the. Look, wait, we are just coming back from the location now. Somebody locked somebody's daughter outside by this time of the night. On the cold, they go to you. No, be not going nowhere. Are you kidding me? Who is there? If you don't need person Pikin, you not go drop him for in mama house. If you tell one mother outside by this time of the night, now we're not around with home, okay? Okay, I don't know your blood in here, damn, Mama. She's not eating. She's not drunk water. When one mother just outside, but you use outside, call her one in river. You don't know with your children. If something happens to her, can you? Wickedness is well no one. How can you lock somebody's daughter outside by this time of the night and you go in and sit with your own children? Which kind of wickedness is this? Good evening, sir. Good evening. I don't want to come in. No need for coming in. Good evening. My name is Charles. We were passing here about past 12 and I saw this girl sitting there. Please, what happened? I would have come inside. I would have liked my wife to see you here. Do you know why? It's a long story. My wife is very wicked. This is she said to me. I came back around after and I was asking, where is this? I didn't know. Are you serious? Yes. I was thinking that she's at home, sleeping. Listen, stop crying. Don't cry. No, I want my wife to see people, to see what you have done. I know what I want to. I know what I want to do. I have been sleeping. I've been hearing my dog barking. I thought I would hear people. I was feeling who is knocking. Is he in my gate or something? Yeah. I now woke up. Where is Blessing? I'm welcome. He said the woman came out and saw her. And went back inside. Don't worry, just let me just wake up. Police are even if you do it now, can you listen to me? I was thinking, I would not know police now. I would have been very happy. She has been maltreating this girl. I have sent my wife out all the 3 times because of this girl.
But what has she done wrong?
I don't know.
You people should
For
send her back.
now again, no. Do this one, no. I'm happy.
This is
pure
pure wickedness.
How can this to one
Very
now?
wicked woman.
How can this woman keep this
on the cold? This weather.
This weather. You go there, but don't want man to just outside.
On a lonely road like this girl was stranded, locked outside her gate.
Yes.
For no reason. On a cold, look at her shivering.
She sent her out to go and get something.
To go and get something. Coming back, she locked her outside.
To go and sell.
To go and sell drink for her.
So getting back home, she locked her out.
Since morning,
On a lonely road like
And
this.
she has not even eaten since morning.
On a lonely road like
This
this.
to 1 a.m.
No, this one she has so many questions to
Nancy
answer.
Waka is her name. Record her. If you
Nancy.
want to
Her
do
name is
something
what?
to do, Nancy Waka.
Okay.
Nancy.
Okay.
Nancy.
Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Don't worry,
Please
sir.
take my number. Anything.
Don't worry, sir. No wahala.
Blessing.
No wahala. We'll be here. We'll be back here. The welfare gathered at this house.
I swear.
Because
The welfare
I will be
gathered
very
at
happy.
They have
the
to.
welfare. I want a welfare gathered at this house. The woman there.
And if anything happens to this girl,
Ndị welfare ga-abịa n'ụlọ a. Ndị welfare bịara n'ụlọ a. Ọ marazie. Ọ don't want man to just have a this time.
we already have blessings. We already have blessings.
Eti my
Mother's
number this girl.
Yes, we
Ndị
already
welfare
have
ga-abịa n'ụlọ
her
a.
number.
Come,
If anything should happen
okay,
to
not the
her,
wicked, don't worry.
if anything should happen to Blessing, anyway, we are coming back here tomorrow.
We are coming here. You see welfare. You see, you know how to abuse somebody's time. You will see.
And you have your own kids.
You have your own kids.
Blessing.
You have your own kids.
Okay.
You will see.
Stop shivering. It's
Thank
fine.
you very much.
What's your name,
I
sir?
appreciate- My name is Gabriel. I'm the owner of the house.
Okay.
If you want my number, I can give you my
About-
So you can call your number for me. Just call it.
0
Call it.
080
080
371
371
41
41
932.
932.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
It's fine. Blessing.
No, darling,
Is
it's
you okay?
It's
Is you okay? No
I just
problem.
came back from Abuja today. I traveled for more than 1 week
Are you serious?
for APC convention.
Convention, yes.
My flight came in around after 1. I said, where is Blessing? Because I know once I'm not around, I know what children. Come and see my son. My first son was reporting to me this night that the mother, my wife, slapped.
Don't worry, sir. It's okay,
It's
sir.
fine. It's fine.
Thank you very much.
It's fine.
Thank you.
Hey, Jesus. Guys, things are happening. Strange things are happening every day. Like, are you kidding me? Someone's daughter, a girl child, locked out on a lonely road outside the gate.
This is to 1
By 1 a.m.
This 1
By
a.m.
1 a.m.
1 a.m.
We dropped we dropped a colleague at her place. Going back, I saw this guy. I said, Mwaba, hold on, let's ask this girl what she's doing out here on this cold by this time. A young girl that is about 15, 14, 16 years old. What if she's kidnapped? What if she's being raped or something? I don't even know how to put
This
it.
woman will never see peace.
Are you kidding me?
She will never see peace in this life.
Look at a lonely road.
She will never see peace.
Oh,
As long as God is alive, this woman will never see peace.
That's her husband complaining. The man is literally tired of the marriage or whatsoever they are doing. I just pray they wake
never
up
see peace.
early.
So
I
let
just
God
pray
know
they
they are
wake up
alive.
this morning,
This woman will
tomorrow.
never see peace.
Because that woman is evil. But she has to
never see
pay.
peace.
She must pay. Jesus.
Nah, I'm shocked.
Hey!